The present continuous, also called present progressive, is used to talk about 1. Actions happening now, 2. Actions around now, temporary situations, 3. Future plans or arrangements.
This is the formula for positive sentences in the present continuous tense. The formula goes like this: subject plus to be, am, is, are, plus main verb plus ing. If you don't know what the verb to be is, I recommend watching the to be video on the channel. I've explained it there in full detail. For example, I am working. I is the subject, am is the correct to be verb for I, and work becomes working after adding ing. Next sentence, she is eating. She is the subject, referring to a girl. Is the correct to be verb for she, and eat becomes eating after adding ing. Another example, they are playing. They is the subject, are is the correct to be verb for they, and play becomes playing after adding ing. Now let's move on to the formula for negative sentences. Pay close attention to these examples. What makes a sentence negative is the word not, which comes after the verb to be. So the formula is subject plus to be, am, is, are, plus not, plus verb, plus ing. For example, I am not working. She is not eating. They are not playing. As you can see, adding not after am, is, are changes the sentence from positive to negative. Now let's move on to the question form of the present continuous tense. Here's the formula you can follow. To be, am, is, are, plus subject, plus verb, plus ing. Take a look at these examples. 1. Are you sleeping? 2. Is he talking? 3. Am I studying? And here's how you give short answers to these questions. Yes, I am, versus no, I'm not. Yes, she is, versus no, she isn't. Yes, they are, versus no, they aren't. So, when you make a question, just move the verb to be, am, is, are, to the beginning of the sentence.